AMUG is
A place where I get to see people I've known for 30 years who have become friends, and where I also get to meet the next generation of AM professionals, and it's amazing.
Additive is home. It's where everybody knows each other.
Exciting, it's active, it's energetic, it's expansive, and it's awesome.
It's a wonderful experience. This is my first show. I'm learning so much here, and I'm networking and meeting a lot of really interesting people.
Collaborative, encouraging, and welcoming.
building knowledge with your AM community.
Creativity coming together. A great networking event.
A perfect opportunity to meet all of the leaders, the thought leaders, the action leaders, the practice leaders in the industry, and to talk to them, exchange ideas in a really open setting.
It's a great opportunity to learn a lot.
A collaboration of the world's greatest minds to create the greatest products.
The technical driver of our industry.
A great place to network and educate yourself with current technologies and new upcoming technologies for additive.
Great place to learn and catch up with old friends.
A great place to connect and network with your peers in the industry.